Mahima and welcome back to my channel Mahi Way. So it's been a very long time since I sat down to film a makeup tutorial. So I'm really excited. So yeah, if you're interested in this tutorial, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So this tutorial is going to be very simple pinkish nudish makeup look which you can wear, which can totally rock in this 2021. So yeah, without any further blabbering, let's get started with the video. So my lips are so dry these days, so I'm going to start with a lip mask. So this is the Lip Sleeping Mask by Mars. And to give some extra hydration to my face, I'm going to use this Pretty Co Botox in a bottle oil. I've already used a moisturizer, so I'm just going to use this serum. So next I'm going to use this. This is a Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss Reflection Serum. This is something that Lakme sent to me. So yeah, take like 2 pumps. I'm gonna apply it on my skin. I just want to see कि makeup के नीचे कैसा लगता है. So my skin looks a lot glossy. So for primer, I'm gonna use this Lakme Blur Perfecting Primer. This is my go-to primer. Apply it on my cheeks. So I recently got the e.l.f. 16 Hours Camo Concealer and I got in the shade medium beige, but I think it's a bit orangish for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this below my foundation just to see कि मेरे color correction में कितनी help करता है, because it's slightly bit orange. So I'm just gonna, you can see it has like a very light peachish tint. So I'm just gonna apply on the areas where I need some concealing, and I'm just gonna blend it. Okay, this has coverage, like this has a really good coverage. You can see the difference. Okay, I'm loving the coverage. Now for foundation, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I like to take it on my steel plate. If you follow me on Insta, you know I recently obsessed with this kind of technique to apply the foundation. I'm just going to blend it using the same beauty blender. Now I'm going to set my face and I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I'm just going to apply it on the areas I have applied concealer. And this concealer is looking so beautiful, as you can see. So now I'm going to do my brows and I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. You guys know I am obsessed with this product and I only rely on this. So I'm going to take the wax first to set my brows. Take the powder, and you guys know एक लाइन ऊपर लेफ्ट ओवर प्रोडक्ट को हम फ्रंट में लेके जाके बहुत लाइट हैंड से ड्रॉ करेंगे. So now I'm gonna take this Nicka K Poison Eye Shadow. I really wanted to use these colors because these are those pinkish tone shades. I'm just gonna take this shade and I'm gonna use it as my transition shade. So once it's blended, I'm gonna take this plum shadow. Just gonna apply it onto my outer corners. And वैसे भी थोड़ा सा crease पे लेके जाऊँगी. You can see it's way too pigmented. And now for my lids, I'm gonna take this shade. Basically, I have to film like a outfit haul, I would say, on my Insta. So I wanted to a very soft look. So by the time आप ये tutorial देखोगे वो अब मेरे Insta पे up होगा. So you can definitely check out my Insta. You guys will love it, I can tell you. So now I'm gonna take this Nicka K Radiant Liquid Shadow and I'm just gonna apply it on my lids. It's a very beautiful liquid shadow and also a very pigmented one. This looks so stunning. So now I'm gonna take the Lakme Iconic liner. I'm just gonna draw a very thin liner, no wing, just a liner. So now I'm gonna use some lashes and I'm gonna apply these mink lashes. These lashes look so good. Now I'm gonna take the same palette and I'm gonna take this shadow and I'm just gonna apply on my waterline. So now to open up my eyes, I'm gonna use the silver pencil from In Color. And for mascara, I'm going to use this mascara from Blur Cosmetics. I think I can do a full face of new makeup because I have so many new products. Okay, so that's it for my eyes. So now to slightly warm up my face, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Glam Bronze. Just going to warm my face with this product. I really like कि ज़्यादा warm bronzer भी नहीं है. Like you can see it looks a lot natural. Now that my face is slightly bronzed, I'm going to take this Mars Rainbow Shining Baked Blush. This is more of a shimmery highlighter, like you can see. But I'm going to use it as my blush only for today. So I'm just going to take this pink shade, tapping off the excess and just applying it. Looks pretty decent now. Though I look like a dodgeball, but I'm still gonna use this highlighter. This is from Wet n Wild and I'm just gonna apply a bit on my nose. I'm not gonna apply anything on my cheekbone because that's already glowing. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna use this lip pencil first. This is from Wet n Wild in the name Chestnut. I am recently obsessed with this pencil. But first I'm gonna remove the lip mask. So I've kind of drawn my lips. Now I'm going to fill in using my Bella Vostell lip pencil in the name Sweet Nectar. You can see how stunning this looks. Now to set everything on place, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Pro Fix. So yeah, that's the finished look. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video and I hope you like this makeup tutorial. I am in love with it. This is such a beautiful blushed wearable sort of a day glam look, and even like a night glam. This is such a beautiful pinkish look. I never actually do this pinkish makeup, but yeah, I'm clearly in love with it right now. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye. Mwah.